Expelled Congress MLA from West Shillong, Mohendro Rapsang, will contest the elections from the National People's Party ticket this time. Talking to reporters, Rapsang said that he has decided to leave the Congress and contest the election on the ticket of the National People's Party. He further added that the reason for joining NPP is that the party is working very fast for the public interest and it would be better to work with them.
Yet to join the NPP. As of now, I'm still a Congress legislator, but I'm not going to contest from the Congress anymore because I'm under suspension. Then in by next another 10 days, I'll be resigning from the Congress. I'll be resigning as an MLA also. Then I'm going to join a new party, and then I'm sure that I'm joining NPP.
And in FIFA World Cup 2020.